12 clever uses for a clothes steamer. If you thought your clothes steamer was only good for removing wrinkles from shirts and dresses, you're in for a treat. This handy little gadget is far more than a one-trick pony. As a matter of fact, it's a rather effective tool for a variety of household tasks. By harnessing the properties of steam, you can clean, sanitize, and refresh your home in ways you may not have considered before. So keep watching and discover 12 unexpected ways to put your steamer to work. Number 1. Loosen stuck-on food in your microwave. Does your microwave look like a war zone of dried spaghetti sauce and reheated leftovers? Your clothes steamer can swoop in to save the day. Direct the steam toward the stubborn food splatters for a few minutes. Simple as that. The moisture softens caked-on grime and grease, making it easy to wipe away with a cloth or sponge. Trust me, this trick works. And it even eliminates the risk of chemical residues lingering in an appliance used for food preparation. Number 2. Refresh upholstery and curtains. Over time, furniture and curtains accumulate dust, odors, and allergens that regular cleaning methods can struggle to eliminate. Thankfully, a clothes steamer can revive them with ease. Pass it over fabric surfaces in even strokes to kill bacteria, lift embedded dust, and neutralize odors. Your living space will feel fresher in minutes. It's a straightforward way to maintain a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Number 3. Sanitize mattresses. Mattresses are one of the most overlooked items in household cleaning routines, but they too can harbor dust mites, bacteria, and allergens, all of which contribute to poor air quality and potential health issues. So grab your trusty steamer every few months to blast away these unwelcome guests and refresh your mattress. Just be sure to let the mattress dry completely before putting on your sheets. Number 4. Clean tile grout. Cleaning grout can be one of the most challenging parts of maintaining tiled surfaces. Dirt and grime often become embedded in the tiny crevices and make an otherwise clean bathroom or kitchen look dingy. Scrubbing by hand can be tedious and exhausting, but a clothes steamer can simplify the task. Point the nozzle at the grout lines and let the steam loosen dirt and stains. Follow up with a gentle scrub using a brush or cloth, and marvel at how easily the grime comes off. Number 5. Defrost freezer. Manually defrosting a freezer is a time-consuming chore that requires patience. Guess what? A clothes steamer can cut that time and effort dramatically. Direct the steam at ice buildup to melt it quickly and safely. Once the ice begins to thaw, you can gently remove it with a plastic spatula. Using steam also minimizes the risk of accidentally damaging freezer walls with sharp tools. Number 6. Clean car interiors. Your car's interior sees its fair share of dirt, crumbs, and spills. Believe it or not, a clothes steamer is an effective tool for addressing these issues. Use it on fabric seats, carpets, and even dashboards to loosen grime and refresh surfaces. It's perfect for maintaining that new car freshness without relying on synthetic sprays or professional detailing services. Number 7. Sanitize bathroom fixtures. Bathroom fixtures are high-touch surfaces that require regular disinfection to maintain hygiene. A clothes steamer can clean and sanitize sinks, faucets, and toilet seats effectively. The heat kills bacteria and viruses while also loosening soap scum and grime. It's an excellent alternative to chemical disinfectants, particularly for households with children or those sensitive to strong cleaning agents. Number 8. Loosen labels and stickers. Trying to remove a stubborn price tag or sticker from a jar, mirror, or new product? Forget scraping and scratching, which can leave behind adhesive residue or damage the surface. Instead, direct your steamer at the sticker for a few seconds. It will soften the glue, making it much easier to peel off. This trick is perfect for those who love reusing jars or repurposing containers for DIY projects. Number 9. Unclog drains. If you have a mildly clogged drain, your clothes steamer could save the day. Hold it over the drain and direct a steady stream of steam downward. The heat works to break down grease, soap scum, and other debris that may be causing the blockage. While this hack may not work for severe clogs, it's an eco-friendly solution to try before resorting to chemical drain cleaners. Number 10. Remove wallpaper. Old stubborn wallpaper can make redecorating feel like an uphill battle. A clothes steamer, however, makes the task much more manageable. Use the steamer to apply heat to the wallpaper, softening the adhesive underneath. The wallpaper will peel off with ease, saving you hours of scraping. This method is also safer for your walls than chemical strippers, ensuring a clean slate for your next project. Number 11. Disinfect toys. Parents know how quickly children's toys can become magnets for germs, especially when little ones are teething or sharing toys during playdates. Steam provides a quick and chemical-free way to sanitize these items. For stuffed animals in particular, steaming is an excellent alternative to washing, as it eliminates germs while preserving their fluffiness. Number 12. Remove wax or gum. Wax spills and chewing gum stuck to surfaces are some of the most frustrating messes to clean. You guessed it, steam makes the job easier by softening these substances. Hold the steamer close to the affected area, allowing the heat to loosen the wax or gum. Once softened, wipe away the residue with a paper towel or gently scrape it off with a plastic tool. It's excellent for safely cleaning delicate surfaces, such as wood or fabric. Now, before you start steaming everything in sight, it's essential to keep a few safety tips in mind. For starters, always read the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines before tackling new tasks. And be sure to avoid directing steam at your skin or any heat-sensitive surfaces, as it can cause burns or damage. It's best to test the steamer on a small, inconspicuous area of any material to ensure it won't warp or discolor. Additionally, using distilled water in your steamer can help prevent mineral buildup, ensuring consistent performance over time. What do you think? Which of these uses will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.